You can get paid $230 for every image that you acquire. You don't need any expensive equipment. You don't need to take any pictures by yourself. You don't need any social media followers or whatsoever. You don't need any special skills with this method because this is very beginner friendly. You can do this again and again and earn hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Watch the whole video because I will show you how you can do this. And I will give you a free tool that will make your work much easier. This is a website that we never discussed before. This is available worldwide and many people around the world are making a lot of money with this method. No matter what country you are in, you are going to earn money with this. But before we start, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. This is one of the websites that we are going to utilize today. This is not the actual website that will pay us, but this website will definitely help us make our work easier and get things done in under 5 minutes. This tool will enable us to earn hundreds and hundreds of dollars when we are going to combine it with another website later on. But before that, I will be showing you how to create those images so you can earn a lot of money online with this method. And again, this is 100% free. You don't need to pay anything to get started with this. Make sure to watch the whole video and do not miss out on the important details. The name of this website is Adobe Spark. You can access this website at spark.adobe.com. This is a free online tool that you can use where you can find thousands and thousands of templates that can enable you to create designs by just dragging and dropping them in your canvas. You can just go to this website and see what are the different images that you can do with this website. You can read it here that Adobe Spark for web and mobile make it easy to create social graphics, web pages, and short videos. Spark lets you turn your text and photos into a professional-looking, attention-getting graphic. Simply pick a design template, add your photo and text, and quickly resize your creation to fit your favorite social media site or blog. Transform words, images, and videos into dynamic web stories with Spark. Create from a wide variety of curated designs, add your content, and you're done. Put a unique twist on anything, a book report, weekly newsletter, or your latest travel adventure. Spark makes it easy to combine video clips, photos, icons, and voiceovers, plus cinematic motion and professional quality soundtracks to create compelling video stories. It's big impact communication that takes just minutes to create. Add your own logos, colors, and fonts to your social graphics, web pages, and videos. But right now, we are going to focus on the images that we can create in minutes, and we can share them instantly so that we can get paid with the website that I'm going to share with you. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Even if you don't have a computer or laptop, you can still do this because this is available on your mobile phone. Don't worry because they have an app that is available on iOS and Android. Just directly install them and you're good to go. That is pretty amazing, right? If you're going to come on this website, I want you to click on Get Started Now, and then you're going to land on this page where you can create a free worldwide account. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook, Apple, or you directly use your email address. Once you're done with that, when you log into your account, this is what it looks like. You can see here that you can browse different templates from this website. There are hundreds and hundreds of templates that you can use on this website. This is a done-for-you design. The only thing that you need to do is modify a little bit depending on your likings and so that it will be unique. You can also see here that we can make an Instagram post, Instagram stories, Facebook post, photo collages, and many more. For example, I want to use this design over here. Just directly click on it and you will land on this page. This is where you can modify this template. On this side right here is where you can change the colors, background, and many more. You can also directly double-click the text if you want to change them. Also, on this side right here is where you can select different templates if you want to change the current template you are working on. By clicking on this button right here, you can change the background image of this template. This is very customizable and very easy to do. Again, you can make an Instagram post, Instagram stories, Facebook posts, photo collages, and many more. If you're done with the design that you made, then you can click on this button over here to download the image that you made. This can only take you less than 5 minutes to make, and this will enable you to make more money online. Right now, I want you to pay attention because I am going to show you the website that will pay us by making some images. Watch the whole video so that you don't miss out on the important details. The name of this website is designcrowd.com. This is the website that will pay us hundreds and hundreds of dollars by making simple images. You can see here that you can design logos, business cards, web, flyers, graphics, and t-shirts. But right now, we are going to focus on graphic design since this is the easiest one that we can make with Adobe Spark. For example, let's go in Designers and select the graphic design option over here. Then you are going to land on this page. You can notice that on this page, there are many people around the world that are earning money. You can see here that there are many people around the world that are doing this and earning a lot of money with this method. You can also see here in the logo designer section that they make even more money. That's how amazing this is. You can also click on the jobs option over here. And you can notice that you can do these jobs right here with the tool that I just showed you earlier. We can do this in less than 5 minutes. That's how easy this is. For example, when you want to do flyer design, then click on this option over here, then you're going to land on this page. You can see here that there are many flyer design jobs that you can do, and as you can see over here, these jobs pay really well. You can see here that you can get paid with this amount in less than 5 minutes of work. You can also check the other sections like poster design, postcard design, and many more to maximize your profit. Right now, the only thing that we need to do is create a free worldwide account. Just click this button over here and then enter the information needed on this section over here. Once you're done with that, you can now get started and earn a lot of money. I know what you're thinking. How can I cash out my earnings? Don't worry because that is so easy to do. Click on this button over here and select on the profile settings. Then pick on the payout option over here. On this section is where you can add your payment details. I recommend you to use PayPal since it is the easiest one, but you can use anything that you like. That's how you can earn a lot of money with the method I just showed you. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.